fire roasted fresh salsa on the grill. Guys, we're going to be cooking up some red chicken tonight. Basically, some chicken that's marinated that you get straight from a Mexican meat market. It's going to be great. We're going to cook up a fire roasted fresh salsa. Guys, let me give you a look at all the ingredients that we're going to have here for this, this fresh fire roasted salsa. There's not a whole lot of prep work to it. We're just going to leave the skin on everything. We're going to give it a good sear on the fire. Got good hot mesquite lump charcoal rolling on the fire. Okay, what we're gonna have is we're gonna have 5 Roma tomatoes. Okay, we're gonna do the juice of 1 lime. We're gonna do 5 garlic cloves. I've got two red jalapenos. You can have green or whatnot. I've opted for 3 serranos on this salsa. Okay, you can moderate your heat level on these. So just count up 5 peppers. I'm using 3 serranos and 2 jalapenos. This will probably be on the spicier end of a salsa. And then we've got 1/4 of a white onion, cilantro, and then we've got a little pumpkin here. Okay, guys, this is gonna pack some good heat. That's a habanero pepper. Okay, all right. And then we're also gonna do 1 heaping tablespoon of chicken bouillon. All right, and then we're gonna throw in the Grilling Addiction and the chipotle rub, a tablespoon of each. Okay, it's going to be a great over the fire fresh salsa for this chicken. Okay, mesquite charcoal, lump charcoal that we picked up at the meat market. Good lump charcoal bed. Guys, we're going to go ahead and get our fresh salsa ingredients here on the fire. Okay, this fire is ripping hot. We're just trying to get a little char on all these. And our habanero, we'll wait till a little bit later to put it on there. Guys, this process is going to take about 5 minutes or so. We just want to see good char all the way around. We want to see these skins all blistering up. Just want to get these things to have a look that they've been kissed with some good fire. Man, these mesquite lump briquettes, they put on a great smell and should give us a good wood fire flavor on this this salsa along with our chicken. I think the puppies are ready for tacos tonight as well. We've got a bunch of lab puppies over there that are just having a good old time tonight. Guys, now we're gonna bring our little habanero peppers, little pumpkin. We'll set that thing in there, let it get a little char. Guys, we're gonna go ahead and get these off the grill. Alright, and we'll go ahead and I'm going to show you guys how we're just going to put this straight into the blender. Alright, we'll just take our tomatoes, we're going to leave everything intact. Alright, and we'll take our peppers, we're just going to pop the stems off of these. Get these straight in there. And our habanero. Okay. Now we're going to put the juice of a lime. Alright, we're going to go ahead and blitz that before we add the rest of the ingredients. We're going to add just a little bit of cilantro. Add as much as you like cilantro. We'll go with that right there. We're going to take our onion and we're going to cut off the edge here, the core. Okay, and we're just going to kind of break it up. Alright, and then we got 5 garlic cloves here. We're just going to kind of quarter these. Alright. Give that a hit, just a real quick. Okay, and then now we're going to add a heaping tablespoon of the chicken bouillon. Okay, and then we're going to do a tablespoon grilling addiction, tablespoon of chipotle seasoning. Alright, now we're going to get the lid back on. Give it a quick mix. guys, salsa is gonna be done at that point. Guys, here's our fresh fire roasted salsa. We got this red meat chicken done here. I'm gonna kind of show you. Chicken always tells you when it's done because it releases from the grates on its own. Okay, look at that. Ooh, it's so tender, it's just falling apart. We're gonna put this here. We're gonna get this on the cutting board. And we're gonna heat up some tortillas here on the grill, and then we'll be making tacos. Crazy, we didn't check temperature, but man, it came out just perfect. And it's got that authentic Mexican, just great flavor to it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get my tortilla off the grill, and we're gonna make a taco. I've got some Oaxaca cheese that I melted on here. We're just gonna take a little bit of the chicken, just like that right there. Alright, we've got our fire roasted salsa, okay? Alright, we're just going to take that right across there, a little bit more, and then we're going to go for the taste. Man, guys, make you the salsa. This salsa here has got just enough heat to it, okay? I used the Oaxaca cheese, and I'm telling you, I melted it on this very fresh tortilla, and I'm telling you guys that the meltiness of that cheddar with that chicken and everything, it's a combination of a great taco, okay? So we'll catch you guys on our next video. We're out.